Hello there, it's me, Natalie, and today I'm not in my usual location. No. I'm actually in Los Angeles looking for a place right now, but to be like every other basic YouTuber. So this week we actually tested out 5-minute crafts. Oh, you guys know I love them so much. All of you were commenting, oh, Troom Troom is triggered, Troom Troom feels left out, which I understand. I am friends with 5-minute crafts, and I guess I am friends with Troom Troom. We're in the same category. Troom Troom has never done anything bad to me. They have never stolen my thumbnails, not like 5-minute crafts. So today we are going to be testing out all of these amazing hacks and pranks to see if they actually work. This week's shout out goes to Sam. I love you. You are amazing. Virtual hug. If you'd like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is be sure that you comment hashtag notification swap. And if you're here within the first 30 minutes that every video goes live, I might pick one of you. So make sure you're here early. But you can only do that if you're subscribed to this channel. So hit that subscribe button and then also hit that little bell because I do deliver full pizzas to your house once you subscribe. But I can only ring your bell if you ring my bell. So ring that bell. Yeah. Alright, you guys, are you ready for this Troom Troom hacks? I am ready. This is weird. Okay, let's get started. We're going to be testing out today 14 weird ways to sneak food into class / back to school pranks. Alright, Troom Troom. Gives you a thumbs up if you love life hack. Do you often feel hungry in class? Don't know what to do about it. No, I do not eat very much. Man, I was a hungry kid. Strange how the teacher just puts their hand right here and they're like, God, and she has like that thing to like, that's like a ruler spanker. Ugh! That sausage does not, what the hell? That sausage does not look like the sausages I eat here in America. Whoa, that looks dangerous, man. Holy cow. Oh my god. Ew. What the hell? This just looks weird, man. Get some Huggy Wipes. Tuck the packed sausages in it. This just doesn't look good. I feel like this would make you lose your appetite to eat. So nasty.
Put the wiener in the bag. Put it in the wipes. It was the dumbest one, I swear.
Oh, I don't like it. I hate hot dogs. Ew. Ew, they stink, man. If you want to be the one that stinks in class, do this. Okay, and then she removes all this and then sticks this inside, right?
She removed half of it.
Alright.
Oh man, that's weird.
Alright, so I'm in art class making art. Doing all my stuff.
What in God's name? You have to take a bite.
I'm not eating this. Sell it. Bubba, I'm not.
Oh.
Ew.
No, yeah, it does.
I've got a secret file. A few people get access to it. Ew, beef jerky and cheese in your notebooks? Oh man, can you imagine just turning in your binders how stanky that must stanky? Oh, I would already forget my lunches in my backpacks and they would rot.
Okay, first question, how many kids in school actually eat beef jerky?
Not me. It stinks. Ugh, Jupiter would love this.
Can you guys smell it?
I dare you. Eat one. Eat one.
I don't like that.
Ugh!
Natalie! You didn't have to throw it.
So salty. Take your amazing little sheets, put it in, bam.
This is so ratchet.
And then hide your beef jerky inside. This is weird. I would not eat this no matter how hungry I was.
Hey Natalie, look at me.
Stop it, freak. Oh, guess what? No one can see me. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh man.
Ew, that has a hair on it.
Oh man.
That's nasty.
I think
Alright.
I'll take a bite.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so in the comments put beef jerky.
But comment below beef jerky and then if you would do it or not do it. You want to leave the bright Play-Doh inside and then the other side you want to put like Milky Way. Okay, that Milky Way does not look like our Milky Way. Ooh, I do like this one. Alright, so one side is Play-Doh. Okay, there's a little Twix. Oh, that looks so good. I like this hack. Here is our oven baked clay, right? Take either Snickers or Milky Ways. I love this candy, it's so good.
I'm sorry, I ate one already.
Are you kidding me?
The special edition brown color.
And then
Oh my god.
Theirs look better. Theirs look a lot better. This is like expectation versus reality, man. Oh, that doesn't look bad at all, actually. That does not look bad. It doesn't.
Alright, so take one out and eat it.
I mean, it's very simple. Oh god. This marker doesn't write. Is it another prank? No. My way to sneak a snack into class. Alright, so you take that little part. I've done this hack before. Troom Troom. I didn't clean my container because let's be honest, ain't nobody got time for that, girl. I'm lazy. I think I put Skittles in mine or M&Ms. Alright, let's try this hack out. We're gonna take our Expo marker, brand new, kind of sad, and we are going to remove it. How do we do that?
I don't know.
Yeah, Dennis with the plan. Oh, it's like beautiful.
Oh. That was satisfying,
It's like surgery. And you just put in your little Sour Patches. We've actually done this before on our channel. You don't remember?
Yeah, because Troom Troom be taking on ideas. You're actually eating it and it's covered in ink.
Sorry.
Natalie.
Ooh, a bookmark gummy candy bookmark. All right, is it a poop? Is it a whoop? Is it a maybe baby? Comment below. Oh, I'm ready to try this one out. I'm actually really excited for this one. So I got this book from YouTube. Thank you, YouTube, at VidCon. You guys were awesome. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our fruit roll up. How many of you guys used to eat this in school? I did. My dad literally would pack me the worst things
Ain't nobody care about your life story. Move on.
Cheesesteaks. I was a fat kid.
Insert picture of fat Natalie here.
Okay, so here we have our fruit by the foot, and I'm gonna open it up. Oh my god, I love these so much. The fat kid in me. What?
Oh,
oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, this is our bookmark right here. I'm gonna cut it.
Okay.
This reminds me, do you remember when kids used to make bookmarks out of glue?
No.
Here's a little bookmark. It actually doesn't stick to the page, which is really nice. No, it doesn't. Maybe when you close it, actually. You can be in class.
I just heard a tic-tac fall.
Me too.
Ew, I heard that sticky sound.
Teacher sees you?
Natalie, tell me you honestly wouldn't do this one. This one's bad.
I like this one. I would do this one.
Are you serious?
I love it. Ooh, yes, Oreos. We're about to put them inside. We're gonna wrap them in foil, okay, to protect them. Okay, we're gonna make a few big silver coins. Curious, like, when do you take out these wipes, like these butt wipes in class? Like, it's just kind of weird. Is it not? Am I the only one? Does your friend need to clean her hands with butt wipe? So for this one, we're gonna take some Oreos. We're gonna wrap them in aluminum, and then we're gonna stick them back into our butt wipes.
Look at the Oreos I got.
Ew, why? Do you guys like Thin Mints? All right, guys, so we are taking our Thin Mints, as you can see right over here.
Oreos.
We're gonna take our Thin Mint Oreos thingy.
They're just Oreos.
All right, so wrap them up like this. I actually like this one. I don't know.
You like all of them.
But I do, I like it.
Your favorite's the hot dog, isn't it?
I don't like that one. All right, so we got our 4 cookies. Oh my god, this is so nasty. Oh god, this stinks. Oh my god. That's so nasty. All right, so here we go.
Struggles. Okay. So classy. Natalie. That aluminum foil sound is not gonna give it away, is it? I got this with the intention of us not eating.
They're actually really good.
Mmm.
They're pretty good, right?
No.
I love cheese. And I would eat this. Ooh, yes! We'll need a big piece of hard cheese. Okay, so you're gonna take a clear glue stick container. It seems like this one's pretty fat and chunky. Ooh, oh my god, that looks so good. My friend needs glue for her paper craft. Smell it. It smells like cheese chip. Okay, guys, so I have been itching to do this one. This is probably my favorite one out of all of them. It's the thumbnail, and I hope it looks just like it was. So we are taking our big block of cheddar cheese. Wow, this is a lot of glue. It comes right out. Amazing. This is what we have, as you can see. You're like a little kid. You just like to be a part of everything. What we're gonna do is just gonna go down. Oh my god, that looks beautiful.
Your face is funny.
Sorry, this is actually really cool. I'm living for this. Oh, I'm just gluing my stuff together. The teacher isn't looking.
Ew.
This is bomb.
So their licorice is green.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of licorice they got in Europe, but it's green.
I love sugar. Okay.
Natalie, you don't have to keep eating as you're doing.
Sorry. I'm gonna have to chop this up nicely. I actually really like this one too. They look like
Natalie, you're
really
easy
great.
to please, okay? Like,
I liked it.
Okay, so
I'm gonna make a bunch.
You
Want to bring like a cup or something?
Oh, that's right. Has a little mustache. Ew.
Not bad. You can even grab your pen, hide it behind the Twizzler, like so.
Ooh.
Use it to write, like so.
Are you kidding me? I go to the kitchen and grab a trash bag for 2 seconds.
What the hell is that? Is that a pretzel? That does look like it. I'm just thinking how contaminated usually all of these supplies are in terms of, you know, they don't get washed to properly be eaten. All right, let's try this one out. Is it a fail or holy grail? Comment below. So we have our pen. We have our gluten-free pretzels. How much was this? It opens. All right, so like that, bam. And I honestly don't think the pretzels are gonna fit.
And that's why I got you easy cheese, and you're gonna eat it out of the pan.
What? Yeah, he wants me to eat this cheese inside a pen. He's doing it.
Watch very closely as I insert this pretzel
Oh, that
into
sounds nasty.
this
Can you
pen.
please just... That's nasty. Why are you doing this? What the...
I've never used this before. Oh God, what is this?
Okay, and this is why Natalie's outlet exists and not Dennis's outlet. Thank you for watching. Baba, that's so nasty. Baba, that's nasty. Can you, ew, can you stop?
It's working.
Baba, that is nasty. What the hell are you doing? Oh my God, get the heck out of here. But no,
None actually went inside.
My channel, get
Hyper combo!
I don't want to do that. Baba, this isn't even a hack. I'm not doing this anymore. Done. Next hack. No,
Dennis's
that's
outlet.
nasty.
We
nasty.
do those. Oh, you ruined my day.
You ruined my channel. A lipstick is the best camouflage for candy. Put the sweet colored mints of TikToks into lipstick containers. Put on the top. Ooh, that is good. It's time for makeup. Tic Tac it up.
Go check them out. Hashtag not sponsored.
Oh my God, you can't even fit that many. You're gonna need a lot of Tic Tacs. Bam. All right, ready? So, teacher's looking at me.
And then.
It works. I mean, it's easy.
So I guess. Oh, Natalie, what are you doing?
Comment below if you like this lipstick one. Would you do it? Yes or no?
Okay.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that I can deliver a full pizza to your door. And of course, hit that bell so that I can ring your bell. Back to school videos are in full mode. I'm gonna be filming all next week. There's gonna be fun giveaways for a lot of you. I was gonna say what the videos are, but I can't tell you what they are. You just gotta stay tuned, okay? As always, I love connecting with you guys. So send me a little DM on Instagram and on Twitter. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye. But not this weird, okay? That was really weird. Like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do, I just hit my head. I hope you like If you want, yes, we'll need a thick, hard piece of. That sounds wrong. I think. Oh God, what am I doing? Speak shouty, shout out, outie. Yeah, no. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's my way to sneak a. It's my way to sneak a class. And don't forget. Oh my God. Troom Troom.
I went to purchase everything. Little montage of me being lonely. And you went to a spa.
Hotel. It was awesome.
Hope Target was great, Dennis.
I purchased all these things that they actually use in the video.
I'm not excited.
It's not very fun. So we're in an Airbnb. Okay, so forget PewDiePie and T-Series. This is the real deal. Troom Troom and 5-minute crafts will come for you. Okay, so by the end of this video, you should have a small list down below in the comments saying yes or no to every single one of these. For example, the beef jerky, I would say no. Natalie, would you say yes or no?
No.
No, okay, so that's how we're gonna do it.